Hi, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our review draft reports for bookkeeping. Normally, this is going to be part of your bookkeeping pipeline, but today we will end up setting it up as a one-time task so you can see what it looks like once it has been assigned to somebody. So the first thing we're going to do is look at Get for Free. Then we're going to go ahead and go to Firm Templates, Tasks. Then we're going to go ahead and open that template so we can see what it looks like. So here you can see you've got your template name, you've got your description. You see that it is assigned to the role of bookkeeper. It is set to start today and it is due in 5 days. And then you've got your subtask, which is just a list of items that you want to make sure that you cover. You can add subtasks or delete them depending on what your preferences are. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit and assign it as a one-time task. We're going to click New, Task, and then we're going to assign it to my test account. And then we're going to select the correct template. And once we've done that, you can see again that it is assigned to the role of bookkeeper. We've got the description, our start date and due date. And then as we scroll down, we have our list of subtasks. We're going to go ahead and click Create, and this is going to assign it to our client. You'll see it in their account, as you can see here. Once you go ahead and click on it, this is what it's going to look like once it has been assigned. So you can see it has been assigned to me as I'm listed as the bookkeeper. Again, you've got your task name, your description, and your subtasks along with your start and due dates. As you complete your tasks, you can go ahead and mark them off so that you know where you are in completing those subtasks. And once you have marked them all complete, you can go ahead and mark your status completed. And once you click Save, this is going to remove it from your active tasks on the client account. And depending on what you have set up in your stage on your pipeline, it will move this to the next stage. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.